Good morning, Philippines. Hello, world. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Hey, hello. I'm Oscar. This is Millennial Memo. Personal stories of millennial government employee living here in the province of Nueva Ecija. So, good morning. Pasok na tayo. Araw. So, just want to share with you our events yesterday. So, kahapon, I've attended the staff meeting for the month of May. So, I presented the progress of the digitalization initiative of the city mayor, the utilization, the ongoing fixes, ongoing developments, also the phase 2 of the project. So phase 1, all modules of the information systems were deployed. Only one module is on hold, no? The counting module, no? It's on hold because of the requests of the city accountant, because marami yata siya ipapabago, no? So we have no choice. Lalo na yung mga developers, kasi client nila kami. So yes lang sila ng yes doon. So from that, yung mga ongoing dev namin, yung sa agriculture, sa veterinary, and some other stuff related to the deployment. So ngayon, may pinadagdag sila yung sa PCIT, sa collection, no? They are receiving tuitions, especially sa kanilang mga students, no? Sila ba nagtutuition? Siyempre mga estudyante. So yun, no? Nag-request sila ng enrollment and tuition fee. I think medyo malaking module yun eh. Medyo malaking module siya. So I don't think na ganun kabilis magawa yan. So hindi ko pa siya nasabi kay Sir Rogel, kasi almost 4 na rin natapos yung meeting kahapon. So hindi ko pa nasabi sa kanya. Anyway, those were the ano ba tamang term dun? Those were the reports that I have presented yesterday during the staff meeting of the division heads and department heads. So today, continuation of fingerprint registration for the permanent employees. Tuloy-tuloy na. Register mo, kunin lang namin yung number, BIOS number, and then hindi pa namin siya ilalagay sa BIOS. Hindi pa namin siya ilalagay sa employee profile nila. So tama, wala naman din problema doon sa ganung process. para nang sa ganun nga tama din naman si siya para tuloy-tuloy na. So and aside from that, ano ba bang aming ibang activities? Wala naman na in particular. Siguro monitoring, reporting of of other modules. According to the CHO, magte-train na daw sila ng mga nurses na gagamit ng system. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yung adoption nila doon sa system. Ano pa ba ang major nating gagawin ngayon? Wala naman na. So personally, LinkedIn, lilipat tayo sa LinkedIn and search tayo ng something relevant. Aside from basa-basa, syempre post no? Ang mga hopefully relevant na mga posts din, no? So I think that's all for today. I have no more things to say. Medyo marami lang tayong activities. Not totally marami. Marami lang din talaga tayo iniisip na gawin. Not totally maraming gagawin, but marami tayong iniisip ngayon. Mga bagay-bagay. Mga bagay-bagay. So, meron pa ba tayong ibang gagawin? I think aral-aral na lang, basa-basa, post sa LinkedIn. I think that's good for today. Yeah, again, I'm Oscar. This is Millennial Memo. Personal stories of a millennial government employee living here in the province of Nueva Ecija. So, thank you very much for watching. See you again tomorrow.